Bambu Handy app. So here is the app. Remotely control your Bambu 3D printer and discard new 3D models to print with Bambu Handy. Remote printer control, remotely set and manage your printer wherever needed. Real-time printer error alerts and reports. Step-by-step instructions to fix printing problem. High-resolution live view of the printing process. 3D model discovery with Microworld. So quite popular app, has nice reviews, like 3.4 average rating, but like still one of the good ones. If you're interested in 3D printing, that's basically the app you can get and print a lot of different things with it. So there you have it. It's quite gamified app. You can earn points for this. There is a huge community in here, as you can see, and then there are devices. You can connect your printer. You can see your printing history, settings. Obviously, this is a Chinese app, but yeah, this is pretty cool device. Nice community and quite advanced app. So yeah, there you have it. So that's the app. Try it out.